really putting on a show for us.
Yeah, he seems a little.
That's fantastic.
Unnerved.
I wish we could see the other end.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, could you
I
a
can't get
little
over
to
this.
the
This
left?
is amazing.
Yeah, turn around, please.
Do you think it's doing this for like kind of
A little wider video?
making us think is so big and
He's
threatening?
coming towards
Just
us.
gently back off a bit.
Yeah.
He wants us to know that he's too big to slurp.
It's like a parachute.
Oh,
Look at
cool.
Oh my gosh.
It's huge.
It really is.
It looks like this one that was off Davidson. So I guess.
Looks a little bit different though.
The brain is in their esophagus?
Oh, yeah, the brain
he's
is wrapped
shy.
around the esophagus, so they shouldn't be swallowing
I'm
anything
taking a
too
million
big or they'll
pictures.
explode their brain.
Oh!
Look
at him.
dust in my eyes.
Wrapping up.
Bright light, bright light.
This
go
is
away.
what scientists do
Sorry.
when we're really excited.